Video comments. You are responsible for the making of a comments system for a newly made videos app. There is one problem. What's the point if comments are randomly shown? And here comes your job. You need to design a priority system for comments. There are n comments given to you in random order. Each comment contains comment data, for example, name, date, likes, and priority, separated by a vertical bar character. You are not given the content for comments because it is unnecessary for the sorting process. And for simplicity, we are going to assume all comments are made in the same day, so you only have to look at the time in 24-hour format. You need to sort the comments in a way such that pinned comment appears first. There is only one of such comment, and its priority is pinned. Follow people's comment appears second, and their priority is followed. Comments with most likes appeared third, regardless of the date. Their priority none. Newer comments appear fourth. They have priority none. In the case of more than one follow accounts, they will be ordered by the likes and date as said. In case of a tie between two users, the one given in input first is outputted first. For example, user 1 is given before user 2, so you output user 1 then user 2. Non-priority means it is not a pinned nor followed comment. Comments may contain replies. A reply starts with 4 spaces and is under the comment it belongs to. The replies of a comment are also sorted based on the above said priorities. There will not be a pinned reply. I'm not going to use C++, I'm going to use PHP. So the first line, which codingame is provided, is an integer n for the amount of comments. The next lines, which is the for loop, is a comment split by a vertical bar, which is name, date, likes, and priority. The output is the comments after being sorted. Constraints. 2 less than equal to n is less than equal to 13. There will not be nested replies, i.e. a reply to another reply. Names will only consist of user and a number and are not necessarily in order. So for example, user 1, 5 o'clock, 0 none, and user 2, 6 o'clock, 0 none will become the opposite. So user 2, 6 o'clock, 0 1, 0 none, and user 1, 5 o'clock, 0 none. There's 6 test cases for me to solve. The first one is simple example. The second one is likes count. The third one is tied followed. The fourth one is pinned all priorities. The fifth one is replies. And lastly, the sixth one is followed in replies. So let's solve the puzzle.